Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your entire purchase history on your PlayStation 5 and view all your bought games. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So to view all your bought games, on the home screen here, let's go up to Settings and select this. Then go on down to Users and Accounts. Now under Accounts, go to the right and then go to Payments and Subscriptions. Now under here, go to Transaction History. Then choose an email address associated with your account. Then go to Continue. Now select a start date and then an end date. So I'm going to change this to 2020 and then leave the end date on the current date. Then go to Continue. And here are all the games I purchased. Even like the free games for PlayStation Plus I downloaded. My most recent game is Hogwarts Legacy, Digital Deluxe Edition for $83. Then I have Fallout 76. Call of Duty Warzone 2.0, and this will also include like your DLC purchases, any kind of like free trial that you're doing. And here's something for Grand Theft Auto Online. Looks like I got $1 million in game. And anytime I fund my wallet, then you can also select a game. So let's go to Hogwarts Legacy. You can see how much you paid for it and what payment method you used and the account, etc. And it gives you a transaction number on the top. So if you ever need to dispute this with PlayStation support, you can provide them the information real quick. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.